Hello my class 1 students. Today we are going to start with chapter number 4, Shapes and Patterns from your book Amber Maths Semester 1. So let's begin. Topics to be covered: different shapes, same shape and size, properties of shapes, rolling and sliding, and last topic, patterns. Let us revise what we studied so far. First shape is of square, second shape is of rectangle, and then we have a third shape which is of triangle, and the last shape is of circle. Different shapes. Mona is playing with blocks of different shapes. Then she keeps the blocks aside. What do you notice? Mona grouped according to their shape. These are of different size. Students, now for you is to circle the things with the same shape. So first we have book, clock, star, ball. Here ball and clock are of similar shape. Now let's move forward. We have a Ludo, then we have a toy, then a photo frame, and then a cap. Here we can see Ludo and picture are of same shape. So now Mona has kept aside these shapes. We have circles, triangles, squares and rectangles. Now let us know about same shapes and size. Next, Mona takes a sheet of paper, she folds it, draws on it, and she cuts the shape. She gets two shapes. What do you notice? Correct. They are both of same shape and same size. Properties of shapes. Triangle. The triangle has three sides. The sides can be of same length or different length. A triangle has three pointed corners. Circle. A circle has no side, no corner. It is round in shape. Square. Square has four-sided. All its sides are equal in length. Rectangle. A rectangle has four sides. Its opposite sides are equal. Students, now let's know rolling and sliding shape. The object with round surface are going to roll and the object with flat surface will slide. So, if we have a ball, it is going to roll, and if we have a box, it is going to slide. For you students, we have few objects and you have to tell us whether it will roll or slide. So first one is tomato. Can you tell me whether it will slide or roll? Correct. It is going to roll down. Now let's see. Book. Whether book is going to slide or roll? The book is going to slide. Now the third one is a wheel. A wheel is again circular and with no edges. So it is going to roll down. Students, now let us know about patterns. Observe the patterns and you have to color the following bead. Now we have first blue, then green, then blue. Now the fourth bead is going to be of green color. Then we have next bead and you are going to color it as blue. Similarly, for other, we have yellow, red, yellow. So, in the next bead, you have to fill the color red and then yellow. That's all for the day, students. Bye-bye.